You're not here just to learn Linux. You're here because you're bored at work, but you cannot even be asked to get a coffee, as that's too much effort. You've rage quit your code. You're eating again. Yes, you fat boy. Or you have gone into the post-lunch Zen mood for contemplation about the universe. Linux is so much more than coding or cybersecurity or running the planet's infrastructure. We can make your Linux terminal do a lot more. First up, we have Figlet, because nothing says IT guru like turning your name into giant block letters. A quick change to a config file and you can see this every time you start a new terminal. This does absolutely nothing productive, but makes you feel like you know what you are doing. And that's what matters. To install? Not a tough command, just run the following. Sudo apt install Figlet, and you will be the envy of your colleagues. Next is Neofetch. There is another one on other distros called Fastfetch. This shows your system specs so you can pretend you built a supercomputer when actually it's a piece of crap waiting for retirement. But why is this displaying an Android logo, you idiot? I hear you ask. Well, a quick change to a config file and you can change this to the correct logo, or with some ASCII art, you can change it to anything. I've changed it to the correct logo for my Linux distro. Again, a relatively easy command, which is sudo apt install Neofetch. But as this is now deprecated, just replace Neofetch with Fastfetch and it does pretty much the same thing. Next up is Cowsay. This makes a cow say whatever you type. How bored must you be at work to be doing this? It's a fact, a cow is now judging you. Even farm animals are more productive than you right now. Or in this case, a dragon. To install? Have a guess. That's right, sudo apt install Cowsay. You are slowly getting it, bro. Now go back to work. The next is pipes.sh. I like this one because if anyone walks past, it looks like a screensaver, as if you are on a break. This is what productivity looks like when you've mentally checked out. Your boss walks past? Just nod at the screen like it's compiling, like he would know anyway. And you guessed it, the install is sudo apt install pipes-sh. Just genius. For this next one, you must seriously have nothing to do at work. Cbonsai is a program that allows a bonsai tree to grow in your terminal. Mr. Miyagi would be proud, Daniel's son. You've guessed it right, to install type sudo apt install Cbonsai. And of course, the classic, Cmatrix. Cmatrix produces a matrix-style falling code animation, which looks pretty awesome. This is what non-technical people think hacking looks like, but you are not breaking into the government. For install, you know the rest. Why am I even bothering? You are now a nerd. Okay, last one before you are fired. Type SL. A train runs across your terminal when you type SL, a punishment for not typing LS at the prompt. And a full flying steam train. Just to remind you that you can't spell. I'm not even going to tell you how to install. Leave a comment below with the installation command. So next time you're really bored, or eating again, make your Linux terminal beautiful. Or don't. I'm not your boss.